Yo, what's up guys? We're the Environmental Bros and we're here at the Trailhead to Emigrant Peak. Gonna do a bit of an overnighter, camp up on the summit and see what we can see.
Catch some dope star pics, hopefully some nice time lapses. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here. Took the 6 Mile Creek Road to get here, no one here. Hopefully we don't run into any bears, but if not, we're prepared. We got this.
We'll do some damage.
We're gonna give you guys a nice like frame by frame on how to do this thing. There's not really any info on all trails. Oh, there's a little bit of info on all trails, but it's sparse.
It's pretty limited. So.
It looks like it kind of disappears up here, so we're gonna give you guys a good feel for the mountain, make it easier for you to climb, and enjoy the vid.
Yeah, let's do this. So we're making our way up this little drainage here. We're gaining a bit more elevation, and it's really wearing on us. The heat, probably 80, 85, honestly. Heavy packs on, first good hike of the season, and so yeah, we're just trekking along, still making good time. Saw a fox up there, that was pretty cool. Glad it wasn't a bear. Just gonna see where this takes us. Aim for those views. And made our way up a little bit more. We're at this clearing. It's a beautiful alpine meadow. See views of Paradise Valley down that way.
Gallatin's over here.
Yep.
Is it Crazy's down there?
Yeah, you can see Yellowstone River way down there. Crazy's way off in the distance. Then that's that bad boy, that's Emigrant. That's where we're going now. Made it a little more than half a mile, or sorry, not half a mile, a little more than half the trek, so 2.5 miles or so. Got a mile and a half to go, but it's straight up. You can see all these amazing views over that way, and yeah, pretty stunning.
Only ones up here. Pretty special.
Oh yeah.
Clear skies. Gonna be a great sunset.
Yep, no one else up here, so pretty exciting. It's the time to be alive. Gonna keep trekking and get up there soon enough.
We just came into this tree line as we got to that open valley, and now we're kind of navigating our way through this stuff. Gonna give you a decent idea if you can kind of look down that way. Yep, that's the open valley where we came in. Now we're just kind of picking our way up through the trees here. Not too bad. There's been a faint trail pretty much the entire way. Some decent climbing through here, but we'll see what happens.
Starting to get up there, see the mountains. Hopefully it's not too far off. I believe we're pretty close to, well, still got a little bit of the trees to go through, but I think we're getting there, almost above tree line, and then hopefully shouldn't be too much farther to the summit. We're approaching some snow here. Might make the route finding a little dicier. We'll see. Tough to say right now. I think we might just have to trudge it through the snow. Well, still had quite a bit of tree line to go through. Looks like we still have a little bit more. Hoping this will be it. Found some cool sticks. Using them as some walking sticks, and it's actually helping out, you know. Quite a little bit more weight balance. But yeah, we're getting into some scree, it looks like. Hoping it'll clear out a bit and have the final push. We'll see once we kind of get up around this corner. Oh man, leg's starting to cramp a bit, so that's fun. Come around the corner here. It's tough to say. I think might be the summit way up there, that high point off in the distance. Still got a little ways to go. Pretty misleading, definitely longer than we intended based on the map, but we're still making progress. We'll get there. Well, finally above the tree line, starting to open up. Pretty cool views. I believe that far peak in the back is the summit. Maybe not, maybe it's even farther, I don't know. Definitely going farther than we intended, but yeah, just gonna keep going. It's getting to be late evening, close to sunset, a little less than an hour. Getting some really nice light on the mountains, and a little cooler, which is nice, not as hot, so definitely helps. Well, we're still trekking, not quite up to the summit yet, but a little behind time. I just figured I'd stop, and man, the sun went behind the clouds for a minute, got pretty dark, but look at that. That is stunning. An explosion of red and orange right behind the mountains. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's really cool view and temperature too. It's cooled off quite a bit, which is super nice. It's pretty much, this is pretty ideal, honestly. Yeah, and so we're Reese is down there. He's making his way up, and I think this might be a fall summit. Honestly, I do think it is a little bit farther up, but we should be pretty close. And yeah, we'll just be setting up camp tonight, camping out, hopefully doing some stargazing if it's clear enough, getting some star photos, which would be awesome. And then yeah, we'll see what the sunrise gives us. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's a little before 5 a.m. We just camped down there. Can't see the tent right now, but we're up on Emigrant. We're approaching the final ridge line. Surprise, surprise, we got fall summited again. Trying to get to the top for sunrise, and trying to maneuver our way around the snowbank and get to the top in a decent time before the light starts hitting. Yeah, after all the times we've been fall summited, I think that's the true summit right up there. We just gotta traverse across this snowbank. Yeah, it is pretty steep. I mean, over here, up by the rocks, maybe. All right. Yeah, and then we'll have less to go on the actual snow. Cut across this little patch right here.
That's pretty steep.
Yeah, it is. I'm not one to risk going on that.
I'm taking this straight in this flat spot.
Yep. It's the best way. Kind of dark, I don't know if you guys can see.
Not bad.
Bit of a steep gully. Be tough to recover from that.
That's not good.
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
It's like 60.
Yeah, probably. All right. Oh wow. Look at all those mountains down there. Beautiful. Still quite a bit of snow on these bad boys. Getting the sunrise colors just starting to show up. Yeah. Trenching through some snow. What's new? Got the crescent moon rising over there just above the summit. It's pretty cool. I think we're at it. Don't see any high point higher than this.
Oh wow, bro. Oh wow.
Wow. Wow. See, horizon's getting lit up orange. Wow. Look at that one way off in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see it. A really sharp spire. It's Pilot Peak. Wow. That's all the way out. On the way to the Beartooths. Oh. Yeah, it could be. Wow. The light hasn't even really started to hit much. Still pretty stunning, but this has got to be it.
Here's the marker, bro.
Yes, the summit Karen awaits. We made it. Woo! Yeah. Oh! Just had to get in that celebratory summit roar. Out of breath, but we made it. Pretty stunning. Yeah, worth the trek. Mileage was severely off, but made it anyway.
The registry.
Yeah, registry. I have to sign that bad boy. It's not too bad, not too cold up here, not too windy.
Dude, look at the
We're
clouds.
chilling.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
No lightning.
I think this is gonna be a good one. Oh man, good stuff. It's not a technical climb, so climbing wise not difficult, but it is just a tedious slog, just a steep hike that you get incorrect mileage on, and it just keeps going. But
Topped out at what? I think 10.9 actually. It's pretty close to 11.
yeah, high 10s.
10.9, 9 feet. I mean, it's pretty close.
But it's yeah, it's worth it. Camping down there, it's actually a pretty cool experience.
I mean, look at the Paradise Valley. I've
Yeah.
never seen it like this.
You can see the crazy range way off in the distance.
Snake.
Yeah, river going through. This is where it's at. Whew. We're just chilling here down in this meadow. We got down from the summit of Emigrant not too long ago, hour and a half, up there for sunrise, and yeah, it was beautiful views.
First summit of the
Stunning.
season.
Yep, we're getting hyped.
Let's go.
Let's celebrate. What do we got here? We got some champagne.
Oh, no way, bro.
Reese, would you like to do
Oh,
the
hell
honors?
yeah, I would. Oh, man, dude. I'm so eager for this.
This is gonna be good.
Woo!